Ta-da! Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today, I brought you the magical box of books, Peppa Pig. There are 10 stories here. What are we waiting for? Let's start. First, we have to remove this cover. I can't wait to see how magical is these books are. So first, we will check the books. It's so nice. We have magic mirrors, the trip to the moon, the wishing well, the rainbow, the fancy dress party, Pedro is late, Peppa meets Kylie Kangaroo, Captain Daddy Pig, Horsey Twinkle Toes, and Bubbles. So we have to choose one book to read today. So I like to choose the very first book we kept, The Magic Mirrors. Let's start. Magic Mirrors. There is a new mirror in Peppa and George's bathroom. George thinks there is another little pig in the room. It's a mirror, George, says Mummy Pig. You can see yourself in it because it is so shiny. This gives Peppa an idea. Come on, George, she says. Let's go and look for other shiny things. Daddy Pig gives Peppa and George spoons to see their faces in. Now turn the spoons around, he says. I'm upside down, cries Peppa. How does that work, Daddy? Concave surfaces reflect light waves inversely to their origin, he begins. Peppa is confused. Is it magic? She asks. Yes, replies Daddy Pig. Peppa and George search for more shiny things. They meet Sushi Sheep outside. Look, Sushi, says Peppa, showing Sushi her spoon. I can make you turn upside down. Wow, how does it work? asks Sushi. Magic, replies Peppa. Peppa, Sushi, and George look for more magic things in the garden. They find a big muddy puddle. I can see the sky, says Sushi. Just then, Pedro Pony and Danny Dog arrive. Did you drop something in the puddle? asked Pedro. No, we are looking at our reflections, just like a mirror, says Peppa. I know where there are some real funny mirrors, says Danny. The children head to the fair with their families. They find Miss Rabbit outside a very colorful tent. Roll up, cries Miss Rabbit. Come on and see my wooby mirrors. Everyone goes inside Miss Rabbit's tent. Peppa and Sushi look at their reflections in a funny shaped mirror. What's happened to my body? asked Peppa, giggling at her wooby reflections. Danny is looking in a different mirror. His face and body will look very white in this one. I have gone all squishy, says Danny. George has found a mirror that makes him look huge. Graw, says George. He thinks he is as big as a dinosaur. Pedro's mirror is the strangest of all. Look at my neck, says Pedro. It is as long as Gerald Giraffe's. Why do we look different in each mirror, Daddy? Asked Peppa. It's very simple, says Daddy Pig. Illusion. Illusions of optical differentials might converse. Everyone looks a bit confused. So it is magic, says Zuji. Daddy Pig smiles. Yes, it is magic, he replies. The mirror out here is amazing, too, says Daddy Pig. I can see two of you. It's Miss Rabbit and Mommy Rabbit, Daddy, cries Peppa. Yes, we don't need a mirror, says Miss Rabbit, because we look so alike, says Mommy Rabbit. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. In last, we have this magic mirrors. Peppa and her friend are looking in mirrors. Some make them look small and squishy, but others make them look big and tall. Peppa thinks must be magic. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with another beautiful story. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.
BookTube Kids.